This is a DDAmanda video on TANH Holdings here. Symbol TANH on the NASDAQ. If you've never seen a DDAmanda chart before, this looks like it's way complicated and crazy, but it isn't. I'm just going to go through real quick and pick out the highlights. On this side here, we have 200 days worth of trading data. So we have the date, the dollars traded on that date, the price she closed at, the factor, which is what we base a lot of our picks on, the volume, the actual volume, and the low-high open of the day, intraday. The up percent, if she went up, there'll be a number in here, and the down percent. And I won't explain these here. We have some other information here. We have the last 5 days of RSI. In other words, that was today, 76, and then yesterday and the day before. We have channel days. This has been a channel for 6 days. We also have here the book value, 0.97, the price to book ratio, the EPS, the cash ratio. This is current assets versus total assets, and your PE ratio. So that's just a few highlights of some of the information that's right on here on this page. One other thing here, StockTwits followers, 8,900. Now this video is going to be a little bit different because what we're going to do is go by a new thing that we just added, which is book value. We're going to try to see if this thing's going to run or not. Because right now it's at 16 cents. And if looking at the chart, it's had a few pops. No real high factors. Here's a 3 and a couple of 2s. So nothing really happening here yet. But let's see if it does. Now here's why. This one, there's only 2 stocks that came up on this scan. And right here we have a book value of, believe it or not, $33, which means the ratio, the price to book ratio, is only 0.01, because if you divide, the price by the book, that's what you get, 0.01. Now look at this other stuff here. You got earnings per share of $1.47. Cash ratio of, I think that was 82%, and a PE ratio of 0.11, which is really low. Now, the thing about this one is it is a Chinese stock, so, a lot of guys think the financials are a little bit iffy on these, but, in order to be on NASDAQ, you do need audited financials, so if we look at the financials, well, we're not going to look at it because we're just going to go by this, because the DDAmanda already looked at the financials and figured all this stuff out. Okay. So your RSI today was 45, yesterday was 47, the day before was 49. But anyway, based on this book value and the earnings, my God, look at this. We could push the filings button and actually look at the filings, but we're just going to go by this for now. And we're going to see if this thing runs in the next, week or whatever. Your StockTwits followers are, look at this, 15,000, almost 16,000 people are following this stock on StockTwits. And she's got a negative trend, 4 days negative trend. In other words, she's gone down 4 days in a row. I wish I could draw straighter. But she's trading pretty good money, $500,000 today. It's Monday. Traded 2 million, 3 million, 2 million here. So let's see what happens, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching, and onward and upward, baby. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. If you want to make money trading stocks, you need a tool that works. DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener, and she will find these winning stocks. DDAmanda was written by stock traders, and we wrote a very, very powerful scanner. Our scanner uses both AI and user input to find and research these stocks. And the software is really easy to use. And the scanner has preset values, so getting started is a breeze, guys. Our mission is clear. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. And after you sign up, we're not going to leave you hanging. We have real-time support. Plus, you get an hour of free one-on-one training. And if she doesn't make you happy within 30 days, we'll give you an instant 100% refund, so you've got nothing to lose.